Okay, here we go. Gonna rip up all this carpet. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it's dark today. Yeah, we got electric. Hey now, look at this red rug. It's kind of nice with the red curtains. I'm sure back in the day it was nice. Hey, Chris, all right. I'm making a video of all the spaces. Come on downstairs. I'm going to let you start picking at this. I got it. Okay, here's the living room. I got your glasses and some gloves in the truck. All right, this is getting new wood up to the kitchen door. This is getting ripped up. And this is getting new wood also. Garbage bags, hello. Yeah, go in the truck and find your gloves and masks. Take a new mask.